Hey there, welcome to Cruse Life. In this video we will be showing you how to make your headlights look brand new again. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. So first, what you want to do is tape the body panels around your entire headlights with the masking tape to make sure you don't accidentally sand the paint. Then get a spray bottle with some soap and water and spray down the entire headlights to get rid of any dirt and debris and to make sure you have a clean surface to work on. Now this is what will do the magic. It is a headlight restoration kit by 3M and it comes with everything you need to clean your headlights. Link to the product will be down in the description. Now the only thing is make sure you have a power drill. You can do it by hand, but the power drill makes things so much better and easier. The kit comes with the adapter for the drill, an applicator for the compound itself, and 500, 800, and 3000 grit sandpapers. The first one you will use is the 500 grit sandpaper, so attach it to the drill and get sanding. Use medium speed and keep the drill moving in long strokes across the headlight for around 7 to 10 minutes. Don't forget to do the other headlight as well. It should look evenly hazy across the headlight like this. So wipe it down with a clean microfiber towel and get the 800 grit sandpaper ready next. Once again, sand using the 800 grit for around 7 to 10 minutes across the entire headlight. Wipe down once again after you're done, and now it's time for the 3000 grit sandpaper. Sand down for 10 minutes and you'll start to see a big difference. After you're done, wipe it down with some soap and water. And then get the applicator pad ready for the compound. Put a little compound on the pad and then spread it evenly across the entire headlight. Then use the drill to buff the compound into the headlight for 5 to 7 minutes. After you're done, wipe it down with some soapy water and look at the difference already. But we're not done yet. We'll take one more extra step to protect the headlights, and that is to apply some protective and polishing wax on them. You can use any kind, but the one we are using here is a Meguiar'S cleaner wax. Once again, the link will be in the description. Apply the wax evenly across the headlight and leave it there for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, wipe the wax off with a clean microfiber towel and you're done. Just look at the difference. Here's a before, where it was all oxidized and dull. And here's an after, looking like a brand new headlight. Well, that was it. Thank you for watching, and we hope you will get your headlights looking brand new as well. See you in the next video.